Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing this pretty simple to achieve, beginner friendly ultra festival makeup tutorial. Now this was like really easy to achieve, so I feel like for those of you who are just getting into the festival scene, this might be more wearable for you. And obviously if you don't want to do the whole rhinestones on the eye, you can totally leave it out. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Porefessional primer. And I'm just going to use this to prime my face. This is going to keep you nice and shine free. Next, going in with my Revlon Life Proof Foundation. This is in the shade 375 Toffee. And then I'm also going to go in with a little bit of cream contour, and I'm going to be using the Revlon Colorstay Life Proof Foundation Stick. This is in the shade 450 Mocha. And just draw some lines along my forehead. You kind of want to be light-handed with this because it is very pigmented. And then taking my Switch Beauty Actual Cheekbones brush and just blending that in. Okay, for concealer today, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer concealer, and then I'm also going to mix a little bit of my Revlon Candid in with this concealer. The L'Oreal Infallible is in the shade 336 Toffee. And I'm just going to highlight the center of my face, and then to just brighten up this concealer a little, my Revlon Candid is in the shade 025 Creme Brulee. And just mix a little bit of this shade in. Going in with my Sweet Beauty Squish Blending Sponge. And I'm just going to blend this out. Also, to just eliminate a few steps in my routine, I'm just going to go in and take my concealer on my eyelid. And that is going to serve as our eyeshadow base. Next, we're going to go in with my Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. As always, I've decanted it into this container because it's made it easier for me to just work with the powder. And I'm just going to be setting all the areas where I've just highlighted with concealer. Also, before my eyelid creases, I'm also just going to set the lids as well. And then to set my contoured areas of the face, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer, my go-to bronzer of life. Absolutely love it. Just going over the areas where I contoured, like my cheek, my jawline area. Not forgetting my forehead as well. Oh, and the sides of my nose. Now, for some odd reason, I find that the less I do on my nose contour, the better it looks. So recently, I've just been reverse nose contouring, and that's about it. And I just do the center of my nose, like the bridge, and the tip, just do like this exclamation situation. Next, we're going to move on to the eyeballs, and today I'm going to be using the Roxy Roxaurus palette. Don't mind mine, it's a little bit dirty. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Fetch, and I'm just going to take this into my crease. Almost like a wash of color. I'm not going to go too hectic with this shade. Also take it on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna build it up slightly until it is the intensity that I want it to be. And then I'm gonna go in with a matte white. I'm gonna go in with the shade Timmy and just sort of put this on my lid. Going back in with my blending brush, making sure that's all nicely blended. And now it is time for the rhinestones, and I'm definitely gonna go in with these blue ones. They're actually so beautiful, and they have like this beautiful iridescence to them, which is just stunning. Okay, stunning. I'm gonna go in with my strip lash adhesive from Kiss. You guys can get this at Clicks. And I'm just gonna dot the areas where I feel like I want a rhinestone to be. One here, one here, one here, one there, one there as well. Should we put one like here as well? Yeah, we probably should. And then I'm gonna pick up the rhinestones on my tweezers. We're gonna do a fairly small one here. I'm gonna do a big one here. I feel like we need another one there somewhere. This kind of looks really cool. Obviously you can use smaller rhinestones if you wish, but I kind of like the coloring on these ones. They actually look really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead off of camera, finish up this eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I killed two birds with one stone, finished off the other eye. I went in with my Benefit Roller Lash mascara, and then I also went in with my Hebe Beauty Summer Collection lash in the style Grape, and this is the finished eye look. Pretty simple, pretty easy if you ask me, but we still have some bits and bobs to complete, like highlighting, and I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Glowing Up Jelly highlighter, or highlighting jelly rather, as they're calling it. And this has such a beautiful iridescence to it. I'm gonna take a little bit on a brush, and I'm just going to highlight my inner tear ducts. Do you all see how pretty that is? I'm basically gonna go a little ham with this. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with a little bit of blush. This is the Sigma Nymphea Aura powder. It's a very soft blush shade. And then I'm going to be taking more of this highlighting jelly and just dabbing that on the tops of my cheeks. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. You kind of have to work a little bit fast with this product though, because it does dry down very quickly. Now I obviously don't want to take this really glittery highlight all over my face. So I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and I'm just gonna highlight the rest of my face with this. So like the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And then also going in on the sides of my temples. You can take that glittery shade all along the sides of your temples, but I kind of want like the focus to be like on the tops of the cheeks, you know? Okay, so now it is time to go on to the lips. And for the lips, I have such a pretty pinky iridescent gloss that almost matches this highlight. So let's see if we can go in with that. But first I'm gonna go in with my NYX Mahogany Lip Pencil and just line my lips. And next I'm going to go in with my Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lip. This is in the shade Dubai. And this is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I just want to go in with a pale nude so that the pinky iridescent gloss can stand out. So you definitely can leave it like this, but you know, a girl needs a little bit of oomph. So I'm kind of deciding which one of these I want to go in with, because I feel like this one's a bit too pink and this one's a bit too light. Maybe we should mix them up and see. I'm first going to go in with the pink. Oh, actually, the pink on its own is fine. This is the Chloe Morello X Pixie Lip Toppers. This one is in the shade Bonbon. I think it's actually going to work out perfectly fine. To finish off this look, I'm going to go in with my Switch Beauty Superhero Spray, my favorite. So that is it for this ultra, I want to call it like fairy vibes festival makeup look. I really enjoyed creating this look and it was so simple and so easy. And yeah, I actually am using these rhinestones from, these are from the Nail Art Boss. These are nail rhinestones, but you guys can use sequins, you can use little like tattoos, or just like switch it up if you don't specifically have these sort of rhinestones. I'm sure you can find rhinestones anywhere. I know Essence always has it, but make sure with Essence that you put an eyelash glue down, otherwise they're not going to stick and last as long as you want them to. So yeah, I feel like these rhinestones are pretty easy to find. You just got to keep an eye out. That is it for this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.